Are you looking for an obnoxiously obscene servo to turn the tires on your rock crawler? What we have today is the BLS SHV 650 rock crawler servo, and I'm going to talk about some updates that we've made to it. So the SHV 650 is not quite a new model on the shelf, but we have made some improvements to it. I didn't change the part number, I didn't change the name of it, I didn't change anything on the actual website other than a few of the details to tell you what has changed, but I would like to talk about it. This is how it would come in a package. It would come with two stickers just like so, which I have already taken out. And the best way to tell you what the difference is to just show you. We're just gonna take her out. And look at this behemoth, this beast of a 10th scale servo. So this servo on 4-cell lipo makes over 1,000 ounce-inches of torque, and on 3-cell lipo makes almost 900. 875 is what we have listed on this box here. If you have a servo tester that's going to be really fast and kind of, give a really hard slam, it's going to register higher than those numbers. If you have a really slow servo tester, maybe some flex in the frame, it's going to register lower than those numbers. And on our rotational tester, it registers those numbers. So what did we actually change about this? Not the numbers, but the wiring of it. What we have is now back to our normal standard old school 2-wire method, where you have your JST power right here and you have your RX wire, your instructions for the servo, right there, as compared to the old style, which came with a single wire and an adapter. This new style, old style, it rejects noise a whole lot better. And the reason why we had to do it on this servo and we didn't do it on our LP version is because this literally pulls twice the amps, a little bit more than twice the amps, and having the extra plug in there would make some of the units get a little glitchy. So we made this running change to it. I didn't change the part numbers, but if you buy one off the shelf, it's either going to be a modified version of this or it's going to be one of these. Since we still have some on the shelf here and there at retailers, I can't tell you exactly which one it's going to be, but it's going to work is what it's going to do. And if you are not pleased with it, if it, let's say it happens to glitch, we will gladly swap you out to this version. So that's really the big change on there. It is an extremely fast, extremely powerful, beefy gear set. Servo has brushless inside, all steel gears, just really all the big things that you would want in a high-end servo. So if you do have any questions about it, leave them down below. I will do my best to get to them, and let me know in the comments if you have run one of these guys. There's plenty of them out there, and the people that run them do seem to like them. They're pretty insane. It's like the pepped up replacement for the old SHV 500 V3, which was really fast, extremely powerful, and this one produces even more torque and is honestly maybe a little faster too. That's how technology goes. Bigger, better, faster, stronger, maybe smaller, better, faster, stronger when it comes to electronics. I think that's how it works. So if you do have any questions, I will do my best to help you out with them. And in the meantime, thanks for tuning in and have a great day.